So after you roll out a sheet, I like longer noodles, so I make the sheets about 14 inches long. Once I have the sheets, I layer each of them with a little bit of flour, and then I lay them right on top of each other. Once I lay them right on the top of each other, I fold them in half, and then I flour it up again, and then I fold that in half again. Then, for these, I like to slice them into 1/8 inch strips. Slice all the way through the noodle, all the way down to the board, so it doesn't stick.